how to remove any account, any follower from your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove any follower, any account from your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, after you click on your profile icon, click here followers and just choose anyone you want to remove from your account. For example, this, click remove and click remove here, and if you don't want to remove, just click cancel. And that's it, how to remove anyone from your account on Instagram on iOS phone. And that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching until the end.